Hey friends, welcome back to Science Online class. This is Pratima Vishwakarma here. Students, let's start exercise of the chapter that is Fun with Magnet. So open your textbook, page number 134. Now question number 1. Fill in the blanks in the following. So first statement is artificial magnets are made in different shapes such as. So you all know what are the shapes of artificial magnets. So answer of this question is, statement is bar magnet, bar magnet. Second one, horseshoe magnet, horseshoe magnet. Third one, cylindrical magnet, cylindrical magnet. Okay, so these are the shapes of artificial magnet. Now, the second statement, the materials which are attracted towards a magnet are called. So what they are called? They are called magnetic material. Magnetic material. Magnetic material. Okay. Now, the third statement is paper is not a dash material. So what's the answer of this statement? The answer of this statement is paper is not a magnetic material. Magnetic material. Okay. Now, the third statement, fourth one is in olden days, sailors used to find direction by suspending a piece of dash. So sailors कैसे direction को find करते थे? What they use to find direction? They use a magnet. Okay. So the answer of fourth statement is magnet. Magnet. Okay. Now, the fifth statement is a magnet always has dash poles. So, as I already told you that how many poles does magnet have? Magnet have two poles. Okay, so what is the name of those two poles? Those two poles are North Pole and South Pole. Okay, so the answer of this statement is a magnet has two poles. Two poles. Okay, students. So this is the answer of fill in the blanks. Now come to question number 2, that is true or false. So students, question number 2 is state whether the following statements are true or false. True or false. Okay. Now, in this, the first statement is a cylindrical magnet has only one pole. Okay. So, what's the answer of this question? Is this statement is true or false? So, a cylindrical magnet has only one pole. You all know that magnet has two poles. So, this statement is false. Okay. So, this statement is false. Now, the second statement, artificial magnets were discovered in Greece. Again, this statement is false. It is not discovered in Greece. Artificial magnets is what? Artificial means man-made magnet. Understood? So, this magnet is not discovered in Greece. So, this statement is false. False. Now third statement, similar poles of a magnet repel each other. Similar poles means what? Like poles. Like poles means what? North north or south south. So if north north poles, then it means that these two poles repel each other, or if south south poles means these two poles repel each other. So this statement is true. So third statement is true. Now, fourth one, maximum iron fillings stick in the middle of a bar magnet when it is brought near them. So, आपको मैंने एक्टिविटी बताया था कि बार मैग्नेट जो है, बार मैग्नेट के एंड में ही सबसे ज़्यादा आयरन पिंस स्टिक करते हैं, मिडल में नहीं करते हैं उतना. ठीक है. So this statement is true or false? So this statement is false. Okay, maximum iron fillings stick in the middle of bar magnet when it is brought near them. So this statement is totally false. So the fourth statement is false. So maximum iron fillings stick at the end of the magnet. Okay. Now come to the fifth statement. Bar magnets always point towards north-south direction. So this statement is true. Okay. So fifth statement is true. Magnet always points in north-south direction. Now sixth statement, a compass can be used to find east-west direction at any place. You all know that the magnetic compass, when it comes to rest, it indicates always north-south direction. If two direction we know, then we can easily find other two direction. Okay, so this statement is true. If sixth statement is also true. Now, the last one is rubber is a magnetic material. Magnetic materials means what? Material which attracts iron containing objects. So, is rubber is a magnetic material? So, this statement is false. False. Okay, students. Now, move to question number 3. Question number 3 is, it was observed that a pencil sharpener gets attracted by both the poles of magnet although its body is made of plastic. Okay. Name a material that might have been used to make some part of it. आप सभी के पास पेंसिल शार्पनर होगा तो आप सभी लोग देखेंगे कि पेंसिल शार्पनर मैग्नेट से अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है. तो ऐसा क्या चीज है उस पेंसिल शार्पनर में कि मैग्नेट उससे अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है. So there is an iron blade. Iron blade is there. That's why the magnet attracts to the pencil sharpener. So answer of this question is, name a material that might have been used to make some part of it. So the name of material is iron. So iron is that material. Iron is that iron is that material. Iron is that material which which have been have been used used to to make some part of it. Some part of it. Understood, friends? Okay. Now move to question number 4. There are two columns, column 1 and column 2. So now we will fill these two columns. Students, column 1 is north, north. So what will be the answer of column 2? When north, north, then it means that these two poles what? Repel each other. So here the answer will be repulsion. Repulsion. Okay. When two poles attract each other, when the two poles are opposite or unlike poles. So unlike poles. So what is the opposite pole of this north? North pole. The opposite pole of this north pole is south pole. So right, S here. Okay. Now again, south pole and here north pole. So when these two poles or when unlike poles are there, it means that the poles are attracting each other. So here answer will be attraction. Now repulsion. When the two poles repel each other, when the poles are similar or like poles. So here if it is S, then again here it is S. Understood, students? Okay. Now move to question number 5. Write any two properties of magnet. So question number 5. Write any two properties of magnet. So what will the answer? What are the properties of magnet? The answer is the first property, magnet magnet always attracts object objects like like iron, nickel, cobalt, cobalt, etc. Okay, and second property is magnet always direct north south, north south. Okay, so these are the two properties of magnet. Now move to question number 6 and 7. Okay students, now question number 6 is, where are poles of a bar magnet located? So the answer of this question is, the poles of a bar magnet located at the end of the magnet. So answer is at the end of at the end of magnet, at the end of magnet, the poles are located. The poles are located. Okay students, now come to question number 7. A bar magnet has no marking to indicate its poles. How would you find out near which end is its north pole located? So answer of this question is, bar magnet hang freely. Okay, so when a end of the magnet points towards north, it means that that is north pole. Understood? So write the answer here. Answer: the bar magnet, the bar magnet, magnet hang freely with the help of thread, with the help of thread, thread. So, so the point, so the pole or the end, the pole or the end which point towards 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 north is is the north pole, is the north pole, north pole. Okay friends, समझ में आ गया? क्वेश्चन क्या है? अ बार मैग्नेट हैज नो मार्किंग टू इंडिकेट इट्स पोल. बार मैग्नेट को कोई मार्क नहीं है उसका पोल इंडिकेट करने के लिए. तो हाउ वुड यू फाइंड आउट नियर विच एंड इज इट्स नॉर्थ पोल लोकेटेड? तो आप कैसे पता लगाओगे कि कौन सा पोल नॉर्थ पोल है? ठीक है, सो आंसर इज, द बार मैग्नेट हैंग फ्रीली विद द हेल्प ऑफ थ्रेड. जैसे कि मैंने आपको एक्टिविटी में दिखाया था कि बार मैग्नेट फ्रीली हैंग कर रहा है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, सो द पोल और द एंड ऑफ द मैग्नेट विच पॉइंट टुवर्ड्स नॉर्थ मीन्स दैट इज द नॉर्थ पोल. Understood friends? Now move to question number 8 and 9. Okay friends, now question number 8 is you are given an iron strip. How will you make it into a magnet? Iron strip को आप magnet कैसे बना सकते हैं? So what's the answer? An iron strip is kept on a table. Answer, right answer. An iron strip, an iron strip is kept on a table. Okay. Now, the one end of bar magnet, one end of bar magnet, one end of bar magnet, dragged over 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 the iron strip, over the iron strip from one end to one end to other end, other end, and this process is repeated. This process is repeated for 30 to 40 times. 30 to 40 times. Thus the iron strip is converted into magnet into मैग्नेट। तो आयरन स्ट्रिप को मैग्नेट कैसे बना सकते हैं? आयरन स्ट्रिप को टेबल पे रखना है और उसके एक एंड से बार मैग्नेट को ड्रैग करना है दूसरे एंड तक, फिर लिफ्ट करना है, फिर से स्टार्टिंग एंड से ड्रैग करना है, फिर लिफ्ट करना है, एंड लाइक दिस वी हैव टू repeat this process up to 30 to 40 times. After that you will found that the iron strips becomes magnet. Understood? This is how you can make iron strip into a magnet. Now move to question number 9. How is compass used to find directions? So answer of this question is compass always shows नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन। कंपास क्या करता है? कंपास हमेशा नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन इंडिकेट करता है। सो नोइंग दिस नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन, knowing this north south direction, one can easily find other two direction means what? East and west direction. Understood, friends? So this is question number 8 and 9. Now move to question number 10. Okay, students. So last question number 10 is match the following. So column 1 is boat gets attracted towards magnet. So which statement will be the correct in column 2? Boat gets attracted towards magnet. So the correct is boat is made of magnetic material. So write here first. Okay. Now second statement, boat is not affected by magnet. So which one will be the correct one here? Is not affected by magnet means boat is made up of non-magnetic material. So this will be the second option. Okay. Now the third one, boat moved towards the magnet is brought near its head. So which one will be the correct here? Boat is fitted with magnet with south pole toward its head. Okay, so this will be the correct option. So this is third. Next, boat moves away from magnet when north pole brought near to its end. So the answer is first one. Boat is fitted with a magnet with north pole towards its head. Okay. So this will be the fourth one. Now the last one is boat float without changing its direction. So the correct answer is this one. Boat has a small magnet fixed along its length. So this will be the fifth one. Okay, friends. So I think I have covered all the topic of this chapter and also the exercise of this chapter. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.